My name is Jékksyn and Ícaro. My pronouns are they, them. I am the co-executive director of Tranzmission here in Western North Carolina. I just took the tiny house class. It was gifted to me. It's really beautiful opportunity. These skills, these trades often carry a machismo culture of like good old country boys. And that can be not the most welcoming environment or circumstance for people like me. So the crew here at Wild Abundance, real sweet folks, dope to learn from. The energy here is great. The wildlife here is amazing. My classmates have been fantastic. Amazing learning environment. I can't, it's so good. I plan to build a housing community here, particularly for Black and brown trans folks. That's been my dream to do forever. I was houseless a lot as a kid, so homes in particular are real near and dear to my heart. With Helene, specifically, trans folks tend to work in service industries and art a lot. And most of that was wiped out during Helene, and we were already struggling to find jobs. So a lot of us are houseless. I know a lot of folks who come into our program and access our resources who are living in their cars and working like 3 jobs. So what I want is to create a community that's not just a place for us to live, but a network for us to connect. I believe strongly that community is the only thing that will save us. Being gifted this class kind of felt serendipitous in that it felt like a sign of, no, you've been dreaming of this and you should follow this through. So getting access to this class and knowing how to actually build a house with my hands. Having these skills in your back pocket, I feel is, what's the word? It's dope. It's priceless, honestly. So yeah, I feel really lucky.